Okay, so it's too early in the morning, but I have a lot to do for the business today. So, welcome to the very first vlog about a typical day in starting a business. Yeah, I gotta do the one thing that in the last video, if you watched, I said I hate the most. Number 4 on the list, reading. So I gotta do some application forms. I gotta read some emails that I got, talk to people from revenue, all those kind of things, and then share some things, get the word out there. So yeah, and don't worry, it's not only that, I still have a life, kind of. So, other than the cafe, I'll be doing stuff during the day, which you'll see with me, so hope you guys enjoy. So, I'm about to get dressed and go to church. So, it's Sunday, I'll upload this video on Tuesday. I know, it's the only day I'm off work, so I'm about to get ready, so see you when I'm driving over there. Side note, look at my room. So dirty. I'm embarrassed. I am. Alright guys, I am ready for church, not work. I'm not on work today. Yeah, I'm about to go to work. Church, oh my gosh, I'm about to go to church now. But before I go, I'm gonna make some coffee and everything, so you can observe. It's cheap one, so like I'll do a review of it. We'll do a review sometime. It's basically just 80 euros, something like that. It was an Aldi if you live in Ireland, so I think they're gonna go on sale again soon. They're really good. So yeah, it's just your standard one. This one frothing wand. And I use Butler's and chocolate. And this like French blend. But I just buy whatever I feel at the time. And then you just have to refill the water all the time. I also use this because, you know, I'm South African. It's got to keep to my roots, you know. So, Milo. Shout out to South Africans who like Milo. So done. It takes a long time with this machine. That's the only downside to it as well. If you had the normal industrial grade, you could say, machine, the one that we're going to get for the cafe, it takes seconds to heat the milk up and to froth it all, and it should take about 26 seconds for the shot to be pulled. Because of the grind that I have and the machine, it takes a while longer. I'll explain that in the review of this, and like we'll do comparisons between this and a proper machine. And like, alright, I am in transit, I think you could call it, on the way to the church. Yeah, I like to cruise, I'm gonna be honest. Like, I'm not really one for the speeding. But yeah, I'm just cruising on. I'm a bit early, but you know, I'm kind of excited because I haven't been to this church in a few weeks, and I usually go with my friend Caitlin, but she moved back to Wicklow. So I'm going on my own today, and since I'm off work, the thing about next year when we start up this cafe is that if we get that permission, the authorization to open up in the train station, which you guys should definitely, if you haven't yet, go sign that petition. The link will be below. If we get that authorization, we get to set up there. It's great because we actually will be only working from Monday to Friday, which is awesome. And for us, well, for me, I'll be able to go to church every Sunday, and my dad's the reverend up in Bagenalstown, so I get to go to his church, I get to go to my friend's church. This guy just overtook me because I was driving so slow. What the hell? He needs to calm his hell down. So, going to church shouldn't be cussing people. Alright guys, I'm here now. I am literally 20 minutes early, I know. But it's, yeah, there seems to be like recording something. I wonder what that is. I just wanted to say quickly I'm waiting around, you know, kill some time. Put in the comment section below, guys, what's your favorite place to go for coffee? So what's your favorite coffee? What kind of flavor do you like? If you know the blend, what blend is it? I mean, me personally, I really like Butler's coffee. I know, and I dreamt about it last night, and now I'm kind of craving it. Yeah, I'm gonna go after this, and I'm gonna go straight to get a coffee at Butler's. I drink a lot of coffee. I don't know if you know it. Alrighty, so I am home now. Yeah, I'm just gonna get set up, get the laptop down, all the documents and all that kind of thing. Owen's not around because he has this play that he's doing for the next 2 weeks. Wish him luck as well. Put in the comment section below. Wish him good luck with all of that. So it's gonna be really good. So got my stuff set up. I got my trusty notebook with everything Josope'S Cafe is in it. I got my folder with all the documents that I need in terms of expenses, cash flows, balance sheets, all that kind of thing. And then I got my laptop too, and water. I have a lot of water. And Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I mean, something to keep me sane while I'm reading all that stuff. So right now I'm starting with my microfinance application to try and get funding for us. And then after that, I'll be moving on to revenue, and then I'll be messaging some guys, some musicians on the music and everything like that, and then I'll be sharing everything. So guys, that's basically what it's like in the days of starting a business. It's not fun. It's not really that interesting. But if you look at the stuff, it's a lot of, like I said in the last video, the numbers, you recheck them. And you saw they had to like change certain things to make it look more realistic, because I'm starting off new, and where we'll be setting up, there isn't actually anything like us. So we're the first people to do that. If we get authorization to go there, we'll be the first people to actually set up a sales thing around that area at the train station. We're the first people to give something like this back to the community. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe to us, hit that bell icon, and get all the notifications we set up. And on top of it, guys, go to the links in the description below. Sign that petition and share it to everybody you know. Fund us for the GoFundMe. We'd really love it. Honestly, like we said before, we're not going to stop if you give more, but whatever you can. If you can't, just share it as well, and go to our social medias and like us and follow us, and you'll hear all about our journey. So thanks very much, guys. And if you want to hear anything else, if you want to see anything else, you know, put in the comment section below what else you want us to do, what else you want us to cover. The next video is probably going to be a comparison between starting up in a mobile kind of unit or just in a set unit and on location, and we'll tell you the pros and cons for those. So catch you in the next videos, guys.